Imagine protecting your entire company network with a security guard who only checks the address on an envelope but never opens it. That might sound ridiculous today, but in the early days of the internet, this was basically how network security worked. Over the past 30 years, firewalls have evolved from simple packet filters into intelligent security platforms capable of detecting advanced cyber threats in real time. In this video, I'll walk you through the evolution of firewall technology from the early 1990s all the way to modern AI-driven security systems. To understand why firewalls evolved, we first need to understand what the internet looked like in the early 1990s. Back then, networks were much smaller. Most companies had only a few servers connected to the internet, and the number of cyber threats was relatively limited. Security was mostly about controlling which systems could communicate with each other. That's where the first generation of firewalls appeared. The earliest firewalls were called packet filtering firewalls. These firewalls examined basic information in every network packet, such as the source IP address, destination IP address, and port number. Based on simple rules, the firewall would either allow or block the packet. Think of it like a security guard who checks only the address written on a package before letting it enter a building. If the address looked correct, the packet was allowed through. If not, it was blocked. While this approach was simple and efficient, it had a major limitation. Packet filtering firewalls had one big weakness. They couldn't understand the actual content inside the traffic. Attackers quickly realized that if they used allowed ports, like web traffic, they could hide malicious activity inside legitimate-looking packets. From the firewall's perspective, everything looked normal. But in reality, malicious commands or data could pass straight through the network. As cyber attacks became more sophisticated, the industry needed a smarter approach. The next major evolution came with stateful inspection firewalls. Instead of analyzing packets individually, these firewalls started tracking the state of network connections. In simple terms, they remembered conversations between devices. If a user inside the network initiated a connection to a web server, the firewall would keep track of that session. Only packets belonging to legitimate sessions were allowed back into the network. This significantly improved security and became the industry standard for many years. But then something big happened. The internet began to change dramatically. Web applications exploded. Cloud services became common, and encryption started to dominate internet traffic. More and more services began using the same ports, especially port 80 and port 443. Suddenly, traditional firewalls could no longer easily distinguish between different types of applications. From the firewall's point of view, everything looked like simple web traffic. This challenge led to the development of next-generation firewalls, also known as NGFWs. Next-generation firewalls introduced several major innovations. They could identify applications instead of relying only on ports. They could inspect traffic deeply to detect hidden threats. And they integrated advanced security technologies like intrusion prevention systems. This allowed organizations to detect attacks that traditional firewalls would completely miss. One of the most important innovations in modern firewalls is application awareness. Instead of just seeing port numbers, next-generation firewalls can recognize specific applications running on the network. For example, a firewall can tell the difference between web browsing, video streaming, cloud storage, or a suspicious command and control connection. This gives security teams far greater visibility into what is actually happening inside their networks. Today, firewalls are no longer just devices sitting at the edge of the network. They are part of a much larger cybersecurity ecosystem. Modern firewalls integrate with cloud platforms, endpoint security systems, threat intelligence feeds, and automated response tools. Many organizations are also adopting zero-trust architectures where every connection must be verified continuously. Security is no longer about protecting a single network boundary. It's about protecting users, applications, and data everywhere. Looking ahead, artificial intelligence is playing an increasingly important role in cybersecurity. Modern security platforms can analyze enormous amounts of network data in real time. Machine learning models help detect patterns that may indicate advanced cyber attacks. Instead of simply blocking traffic based on predefined rules, security systems can now adapt and respond dynamically to new threats. This represents the next phase in the evolution of firewalls. Over the past 3 decades, firewalls have evolved from simple packet filtering systems into powerful security platforms capable of protecting complex digital environments. But one thing has remained constant. Attackers continue to evolve. And as long as cyber threats continue to grow, firewall technology will keep evolving as well. Understanding this evolution helps us better appreciate how modern network security works and why it's more important than ever.